Everything lit. Oh, you fancy, huh?
Let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I have not clean you guys off. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia Simone and this is my fashion and lifestyle channel. So if you are new here, welcome. If you're coming back, thanks for watching. So today I'm going to be doing a Target haul. I got two pieces from the Jenee Naylor collection, the second drop. The first drop, I got one piece, the black dress. I'll insert a picture of the dress. The second drop, I got two pieces. I'm thinking I might go back for another piece, but I'm not sure. With these like collections, it's like I've been wanting to get the stuff because I know it's like you're not gonna find nothing else like it. But it's like I'm at a point in my life where I'm just like, okay, but how many times am I gonna wear that? Am I able to rewear it? Am I able to wear it to different events and stuff like that? Like, I don't want to just get something just to get something. I want to be able to get something and wear it often, stuff like that. So let's get into it. I'm gonna open the bigger one first. The last collection, since I only got one piece, I didn't do an unboxing, but I kind of wish I did. But yeah. Oh. Ooh. So this shirt, I actually got in like a 2X because I wanted it to be a dress. And now that I think about it, I should have got in a 3X. So yeah, because I wanted it to be a dress. But I just got it because cheetah print is always in. And so yeah. Okay, so it's not going to be a dress. This is definitely just going to be oversized. Let me stand up and show you guys. So this is what it looks like as a 2X. I'm actually gonna try it on. Cause this top is like a wrap top, so let's take it off. I really think I should have got the 3X, for the dress, so I might return this. Hold on. Let me... Yeah, it like comes to like my leg, like, hold on. I'm gonna stand on my chair so you guys can like to see it, okay? Oops. Let me button this up. Don't want YouTube to flag me for indecency exposure. I like the material of this. It's really like loose. So let me show y'all. See how it comes? So it's like barely there. The back is actually long though. This is the back. The back is actually long, so I don't know. Maybe or maybe not it could pass for a dress. Let me look at the mirror. Hold on. I'm gonna pass for like a beach cover up, but not so much as like a dress I thought it was gonna be. If they still have a 3X available, when I check the website after I record this video, I'm gonna buy it and just return this. But if not, I'll just keep it. I really like its lightweight. Cheap print is always a classic print. I think because it's oversized, I can style it so many different ways. So yeah, I'm gonna just leave it on the beginning of the video or until I try this on. This is a dress. I thought the dress was gonna be in a bigger packet, but it's not. This is, ooh, guess what's on my hands? This is the dress. I got it in size 14 because that's what the size my other dress I got. And I'm gonna just show you. Now I'm gonna change off camera for this one because this is a lot of parts. Hold on one second. Editing Lydia here. Okay, somehow this clip does not have any sound. So I do apologize. Anyway, I put it on. Long story short, it does not fit me. Okay? I know you're probably like, but Lydia, you have it on in this video. I do have it on, but it just doesn't fit me as a curvy girl, and I'm learning that some clothes are not meant for curvier bodies, and they're meant for just straight bodies. So this is a kind of dress that's meant for a straight body. It was very boxy, very did not fit me. I really regret not just returning it and getting my $40 back, but I love the cutout, so that's why I kept it. I put a slit in it. I put some extra fabric on the bottom, which I don't show in this video, but I'll show one day. I don't know when. But I tried to make it work. It just did not work. So I might list it for sale because honestly, it's just a no. I even packed it for my vacation recently, but I just didn't wear it. And it's just like when you just don't wear something, you know, it just doesn't fit you. So I definitely regret this purchase. Here I'm just showing you the shirt. I think the shirt was like $20 something. Don't know why I was talking about this video. For some other reason, my camera decided to do it in slow mode. So I have no idea what I'm talking about and what I'm showing you in this clip. I think I'm showing you another kind of shirt, which I did get. That was sold out. But I learned my lesson with buying like limited edition collaboration stuff like that. Only buy the stuff that fits. If it doesn't fit, return it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, don't know what I'm talking about here, but thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. At the end of this video, I will insert a clip of me wearing the cheetah print outfit, because I did wear it in an Instagram video. If you're not following me on Instagram, what are you doing? Go follow me over there, because that's where I'll be at. But I will be uploading more often on YouTube, so leave any video ideas in the comments below. Oh, and we're not going to talk about the fact I have one earring on. Like, we're just not going to talk about that. So, one earring on in the entire video. Like, don't know what I was talking about. Anyway, I will leave a link to my Like to Know down in the comments, in the description bar, so you can shop anything in this video that you see that you want. You can't shop the items that I have, unfortunately, but I will leave similar items on my LTK. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I think that is all I have to say. I just was saying that the boobs were not fitting into the dress. I think that's what I was saying here. I really don't know because my camera decided to play me. Okay, bye.